To make a p sound, our lips press together and the puff of air pops out. In Jolly Phonics, to make the action for a p sound, we pretend that our finger's a candle and we blow it out. P. Some words that begin with a p sound are pig, p-ig, pickle, p-ickle, a pen, p-en, and a peanut, p-enut. This is the p sound. We're gonna learn how to write the p sound. We start at the midline. We're gonna draw a vertical line down, and we're gonna go below the bottom line for our p sound. All the way down through our bottom line. We get to pick up our marker for this one. We're gonna start back at the top and make a curve. That is how we make the p sound.